So this is my PSIM circuit from YY system, and this is for 2 watt meter. How to use? You go to simulate, run simulate, and this first I want to choose simulation line voltage. So simulation voltage, you must select VAB, VBC, VCA. VAB, VBC, VCA, and then add. Okay, you go. So this simulation, you can get power. Oh, very nice. So this is voltage you get from simulation. Okay, so for phase voltage, you must select VAN, VBN, and then VCN, and then you get phase voltage 90.0.052. Okay, so the last one I try to get power. So run simulation, I choose total P total so P total I choose IAA1, VAB, so get a power. So the power is 4.47. It look like the same. Okay, look like the same. Simulation 4.47. Start here, back. The simulation and VS theory. Simulation line voltage VAB, this is a result, and the rated line voltage generator is 33 kV. So this is a phase voltage. This is from simulation, and this is from theory. It's like same. So this is from simulation, and this is theory. So theory and simulation almost same. But a little different. So I go to phase voltage. So this is a phase voltage from simulation. This is from theory. Line current is different. This is like same IBB. So the power factor cos multiply 6.341. So calculate 0.993, simulate 0.994. So the value of power factor if fulfill the requirement from measure authority standard, which is minimum 0.85 for voltage level less than 132 kV. So simulation active power total, this is from simulation, this is from theory. For theory and simulation is different. This is 9.44. This for simulation 12 and above. I go to 2 watt meter and 2 watt meter simulation. This is for simulation. This is for theory. So simulation, for simulation 9.2 megawatt, and from theory 9.68 megawatt. For voltage drop from calculation 50.69. The voltage drop for medium voltage 6.6 kV, 11, 22 and 23, mass plus minus 5% nominal voltage. So I go to discussion. From the project, we also know that by measure the line voltage and current voltage in three-phase circuit, we can determine the power factor and voltage drop percentage using formula given. We also can determine and wave each phase have same value in different time. From the simulation and calculation, we compare the value power, current voltage, power factor. The value of power factor if fulfill the requirement from Malaysia Authority standard, which is minimum 0.85 for voltage less than 132 kV. From the calculation, we can determine the resistance and reactance value in three-phase Y to Y connecting circuit affected the value voltage each line and value of voltage drop in the system. This showing that the resistance and reactance value is important to make the circuit is compatible and following the requirement of authority. So the last is a conclusion. As an electrical engineer, the electrical device function, the construct need to be linked three-phase of Y generator. The voltage and current line for simulation on PC software value is same as the measurement. The power consumed value, however, is different value between calculation and simulation. The loss value of the load transmission more to inductor, which is why the angle of the step is still lagging. The loss value of the load and transmission more to generator 50 Hz, the same as in the SRS volt 3.1. So electricity supply application handbook. The Suruhanjaya Tenaga Distribution Code for Peninsular Malaysia Sabah FT Labuan Amendment 2017. Use the 2 meter method and conventional measuring method. The active power absorbed at load was measured and analyzed. And the last one, the simulation worked completely without error. Software, even for the first time install PC software, is not easy. Let's complete my report. I have complete my report and analysis. And so thank you. This is all my presentation for my project. That's all. Thank you.